What if your next home was already done? No waiting, no punch lists, no construction delays, just move-in ready and priced to sell. Welcome to 1605 Barnard Lane. Let me show you why this one stands out. This is a Bloomfield home that checks all the boxes: open layout, space to spread out, and a lot that's hard to find. Right away, you feel the openness. This is open concept living done right. The kitchen anchors the home with gas cooking, warm finishes, and plenty of space for everyday life or entertaining. Vaulted ceilings, natural light throughout, and a layout that flows naturally from room to room. It's comfortable, functional, and inviting. The primary suite is downstairs, private, quiet, and spacious. You've got 2 separate closets and a spa-style bath, making this a true retreat at the end of the day. Perfect if you commute the 380 corridor and want a home that helps you unplug when you get back. Upstairs, the home keeps delivering. A game room, a dedicated media room, and flexible space that works for movie nights, play space, or even a home office setup. With 5 bedrooms and 3 full baths, everyone has room to spread out without sacrificing privacy. And this lot is a standout. A corner, quarter-acre lot with low maintenance and big potential. Room for kids, pets, gatherings, or quiet evenings outside, all while being minutes from Aubrey retail, parks, top-rated schools, and major Frisco and DFW employers. Here's the real advantage. New builds nearby can cost at least $100,000 more and can take months to finish. This home is move-in ready and priced under market value for a Bloomfield home this fresh. If you want to see this home in person or just get more information about it, text Barnard or comment below and I'll send you the private link. Homes like this don't last. I'll see you at 1605 Barnard Lane.